Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the First Western Bank mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. First Western Bank Mobile Banking is a digital banking app provided by First Western Federal Savings Bank designed to give customers flexible access to their accounts via smartphone or tablet. The app allows users to check account balances, view recent transactions, transfer funds between eligible accounts, deposit checks remotely, pay bills, locate ATMs/branches, and receive account alerts. Secure login via PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID is supported on compatible devices. The app's main features include real-time balance visibility, mobile check deposit using camera capture, scheduled payments, instant transfers, and secure alerts to monitor activity or low balances. The enhanced mobile access helps users manage their finances from anywhere. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise its ease of use, reliable mobile deposits, and quick balance updates. The ability to deposit checks without visiting the bank and to move money between accounts on the go adds significant convenience. Some note the interface is intuitive and similar to other major banks, making it easy for new users. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report that mobile deposit limits or timings depend on the account type or may be tied to branch hours. Advanced features such as multi-bank linking or integrated wealth management tools might be limited. Occasional login issues or app update delays have been mentioned. Overall performance is sound for everyday banking but may lack depth for advanced users. In summary, the First Western Bank mobile banking app may be worth using if you seek dependable, mobile-friendly access to your accounts for everyday banking, checking balances, deposits, transfers, and payments. However, if you require advanced financial tools, external account aggregation, or high-volume transactions, you might want to supplement with other services. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.